touched down in Hong Kong again. That was my third time going there. But first time with my daughter, Katrina. So I'm excited too. We arrived, and Kat is feeling cold. I'm feeling cold actually. The first thing she dropped by is the restroom. Where are you going, miss? Where are you going? Restroom. No, actually she's feeling cold. I was already wearing a sweater. It's good that I have an extra pair in my bag, so we look for the restroom. We go restroom. She could change. And she changed her clothes because she's feeling cold. That's fine, it happened. We're riding. Let's take the escalator. Make us faster. No, sorry, not escalator, walkalator. Okay. I was corrected. Lingon ka naman, oh. Miss. Ako naman, kung naman lumalaki. Yes. We took our luggage and then we headed straight to the airport, to the exit, so we can buy the Octopus card and claim our internet device, which we already booked online prior to our trip. As you can see, there's an artificial falls there, which is very nice. It's Instagrammable actually, but it's ano, Kat?
Tara na, kunin na natin yung card ko.
Yung octopus? Oo. Let's go. We'll go get our octopus card.
Meron na ako.
Oh, it's mine?
Nilobat ko na lang ng ako.
I'm going to get train tickets. MTR. Where is she? So there you go. We got our octopus card, but you need to look for the machine to load up some money, and you can do that in the machine located to the airport. Okay.
Tapos i-insert mo lang yung banknote. Mag-i-insert akong 200.
Why 200 so big?
That's small.
I only have $1,000. So 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, not US dollars. $200? Do I really need the $200? Done. Okay. Oh, by the way, the octopus card, you can use it for shopping, Kia Tower, to city, as a ticket, to MTR, ganun tayo. To the bus. If you have wish, you know, need to take out some money, you can just swipe the card. And that's it. It's Cats. It's Cats Day. Make sure you're taking me to the right place, ha. Sorry po. Pataas.
Pag ganyan.
So we decided to take the bus instead of the train because it's much cheaper. So from the airport, we walked down to the bus station, which is very close. And then yeah, we went and used our octopus card. We went up to the second deck because the first deck of the bus was full. And it's nice in the bus, guys, because there's a camera inside, so you can see your luggage on the ground deck of the bus. Then just sit back and enjoy the view. But actually, I recommend to take the train because it's much faster. Plus the view from the train is much way better than when you're on the bus. So next time, I will take the train. It's okay to pay extra. But anyway, the view from the bus is also nice. It it took us about 15 minutes from the airport to the city, where we will look for the hotel. We will look for our hotel because we don't know the area yet. We arrived at Nong Ping. We're about to go to Lantau Island, but I was too tired to take the cable car. But if you will go to Hong Kong, you must not miss that place. Lantau Island is recommended. So we went straight to the hotel to check in our luggage. And the first thing I've noticed is, of course, I have to inspect the room. It's my routine every time I travel. So I went back to the lobby and complained and asked them to send someone to clean up the room again, because I found some hair strand. It was sticky and the bathroom was not properly cleaned. And I also asked them to change the beddings, the bed sheets, the pillows. And of course, my daughter just watched me because she's not happy the way I complain. But hey, I will never stay in a room, in a hotel room, if it's not very clean. Complimentary breakfast at the hotel. Yan, very quiet. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ito nakuha namin. Nag-book nito yung aming boss. Water for the coffee is not warm enough. And I love coffee with a very hot water. So was not able to enjoy it. The bread was, well, it was okay. It's a complimentary anyway. So that's why we just ate a little and we had our breakfast outside.